Our supply chains produce massive physical waste, from spoiled food to obsolete products. But the costliest waste is invisible. It's digital waste, cascading errors from bad data. This isn't messy desktops, it's bad data entry in siloed systems causing real-world loss. The fix is more than automation. It's automation of judgment for smarter, instant decisions. Here's how Supply Chain 4.0 and mobile apps turn digital chaos into clean efficiency. Let's start where the waste is most visible. How does this new tech stop physical loss? First, IoT sensors monitor product temperature and humidity in real time. This stops the spoilage of sensitive goods, saving the product from the trash. Next, AI algorithms analyze traffic and weather to optimize delivery routes. This cuts fuel consumption, emissions, and expensive delays. Then, predictive analytics forecasts demand with high accuracy. This prevents overproduction, slashing the goods that end up in landfills. These tools need visibility. But what if a technology could guarantee the data itself is true? How is all this high-quality data captured in the first place? Often, it begins with simple mobile apps on the ground floor. Custom mobile apps replace clipboards with streamlined digital forms. This reduces human error at the source, stopping digital waste before it starts. So we have cleaner data capture. But how do we ensure that data stays trustworthy across the entire chain? This returns us to the immutable ledger. Blockchain creates a shared, unchangeable record of every transaction. Unlike siloed databases that conflict, this is a single, secured source of truth. Why does this matter? With total confidence in your data, you stop wasting money and materials based on guesswork. This is the foundation of digital sanitation. Now, connect the two. A worker scans a barcode with a mobile app. That scan is instantly and permanently logged on the blockchain, creating a perfect record. The mechanism is clear: clean data capture via mobile apps, secured by technologies like blockchain. This combination starves digital waste at its source. In practice, this appears as a digital control tower. It's a central hub using AI for a complete supply chain view, letting managers solve problems proactively. We see it in smart packaging, where IoT sensors monitor freshness. This tech can send alerts as expiration dates near, dramatically cutting food waste. Inside the warehouse, robotics and IoT optimize everything from sorting to packing. This speeds up operations, improves accuracy, and minimizes errors. These examples show huge efficiency gains. But can this level of data integrity solve even more complex hidden problems? Consider external disruptions like a port closure. AI-driven risk analytics can identify these threats in advance, preventing the waste of a broken chain. The ultimate proactive tool is the digital twin, a virtual replica of your supply chain. You can test new processes digitally, avoiding costly real-world failures. Now, for a more subtle waste source, counterfeit products. Faulty electronics and parts break quickly, becoming a huge contributor to e-waste. Here's where that guaranteed data from blockchain gives a surprising solution. By creating an auditable record of origin, it blocks counterfeits from entry. So the trusted data doesn't just prevent accidental waste from inefficiency, it proactively blocks intentional waste from fraud. A new level of security. We've seen how tech fixes physical waste, and how data integrity stops digital waste. What happens when we put it all together? It brings us back to automation of judgment. With trusted data and predictive AI, the system itself can now make complex, strategic decisions. A final, powerful example of this? The circular economy. How do we manage a product's end of life to fully eliminate waste? This is where mobile apps become strategic. They streamline reverse logistics, processing returns, identifying items for refurbishment, and routing materials for recycling. The goal is a system where mobile apps feed clean data into an intelligent network that manages a product's entire life cycle to minimize waste. Reducing digital waste is not an IT problem. It's the central operational challenge of the modern supply chain. It's the invisible anchor on efficiency. Supply Chain 4.0 technologies, AI, IoT, and blockchain, provide the intelligence. Mobile applications provide the critical human interface for clean data. By tackling the digital waste you cannot see, you eliminate the physical waste you can. You create a supply chain that is more profitable and sustainable. The question for any leader is not whether to adopt these technologies, but how quickly. Audit your digital waste. The answer is your starting point.